Chapter 1. The Glow Beneath the Roots. Junior lives high in the bright green heart of El Yunque. He knows every leaf path, puddle, and branch bridge. Our main hero is a natural-born leader, very smart and understanding and fair. One evening, after the coquí chorus falls strangely quiet, he notices something terrifying. The forest glow is fading. The roots beneath the waterfalls look gray. Moss turns dull. A sacred gem shrine deep inside the forest is surrounded by smoky symbols. Junior tries to get close and is attacked by shadow minions made of bark, mud, and black mist. He uses his double jump, slingshot, and sharp mind to survive, but he is nearly overwhelmed. That is when Atabeyra appears, a beautiful female Taino spirit. She tells him, the island is not sick in one place. The island is sick in many. She reveals the truth of the 78 gems. El Yunque is the first. El Yunque is the only tropical rainforest in the U.S. National Forest System, and it stretches across 8 municipalities. It is also extraordinarily biodiverse. Junior frees the first gem, but only partially. Its light returns in a weak pulse, enough to reveal a vision. 2 other chosen heroes elsewhere on the island. Chapter 2, The Shadow in the Waterfall. Junior journeys deeper through El Yunque, facing bats, snakes, crabs near riverbanks, cursed vines, and spirit puzzles hidden in petroglyph ruins. He learns that the corrupted spirits are using fear to sever towns from their own identities. At the climax, Junior faces Malborax's first avatar, a giant, hovering spirit mask beast above a waterfall shrine. Junior cannot destroy it by force alone. He wins by using the environment ricochet shots, falling branches, and a leap through the spirit's weak point at the exact second lightning reveals its symbol pattern. He learns his first rule. A gem is restored not just by battle, but by remembering what makes the place alive. Atabeyra, the beautiful female Taino spirit, appears again, this time explaining to Junior about the 2 other chosen heroes, how will assist him on recovering all the municipalities. He cannot do this task alone. It will take the 3 chosen ones to restore Puerto Rico.